สวัสดีครับ Today I would like to speak on the water fast. I found this in a book many moons ago. The name of the book is The Power of Chi by an Australian guy by the name of Jeff Pike. It features Barduen Jin, which is a classic set of exercises, also known as the 8 pieces of brocade. It's in the second part of this book. I still practice that now. It's the first set I ever learned of Qigong. So a very good set. And in the second part, it tells of a way of healing. You can call it the water fast or the water regime. And I'll describe it to you. Okay. When you get up in the morning, the first thing is to drink some warm water. You know, even just a few cups of it is good. It helps to flush your body out. It warms the body and helps to flush it out, you know. So that's one thing. But this method requires keeping topped up with warm water for 1 hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, you know. And what happens is this, because of poor food combination, the bowel is the organ that has to deal with this, you know. The colon has to deal with all this thing, poor food combination. So what it does, it lines itself with cholesterol. And that provides its safety for it. Because if the acid goes into the blood, you can get an aneurysm and die. It's very, very dangerous. So you got this lining, and it's always forever lining because we're always in eating poor diet and poor food combinations, you know. So it's always going on like this, and this deforms the colon. One doctor said, I've never ever seen perfect colon. I've never seen it, and I never, because they're all distorted and wrong, you know. So yes, so this process helps to flush out the colon, helps to flush it out, you know. And so you drink this water, warm water. What I use is a rice cooker, and I get a plastic cup, and I just keep on topping myself up for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, you know. During this time, I get my food ready, or I do a little bit of housework, clean up a little bit, you know. I just keep myself busy, and then so anyway, the goal of it is to get the water coming through like a jet stream from your backside. It means it's cleaning it all out, right? And then at the end of this process, I drink half a dozen cups of warm water or more, you know, just chew, and top up quickly until my stomach expands. I feel like, you know. And then I go into the toilet and I sit on the bog, and I got a basin between my legs, and then I stick a toothbrush down my throat, and I vomit it all up. But this helps to clear all the face and all the insides of you. It's quite a hard on the body, this process. It's quite hard on the body. So unless your constitution is strong enough, I wouldn't advise it for you. You have to know yourself, you know, if you're strong enough to do this. Okay? So that's the process. And then I'm sitting on the toilet, right? And I'm in Thailand, right? And it's very, very hot in the morning even. So I've got a little bit of tiger liniment in a small bottle. It's an alcohol-based liniment. I'll see if I can find some. Here's the bottle. Here's the bottle. It's a little bit in the bottom, you know. But yeah, I got it from the temple, and I used it, alcohol-based liniment. So I'm sitting on the toilet. I've just finished vomiting, and I'm sweating like a pig. And so then any little sore parts of my body, I put this liniment on. I put the liniment on, and then I rub it hard. You know, it's all wet, my body, so it goes in well. You know, I rub it vigorously, and then I go out and do my training. That's how that's my process, right? At the end of training, I eat a little bit of fruit, like a mango. This morning I ate a mango, and then I cook my food, and then I have a nice feed, like a healthy feed after that, you see. So anyway, the advantages of this for a person who trains, especially even a worker, a physical worker, is quite often what the problem is that we feel tired, right? We feel a little bit tired, a little bit jaded, slight headache, you know. And what it is we're just simply dehydrated, and we don't even know it. We think, oh, this is okay. You know, or what's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? You know what I mean? You don't even realise that all we need is drink some water. Drink some water. One advantage over here is that I don't drink rubbishy drinks during the day because I'm already got enough water for the whole day from the morning. You know. Yeah, so we dehydrate, and that's why we feel tired, right? So it's very, very good for training. You know, you can train real hard because and another thing is I like to empty myself out before I train hard. Empty myself out completely. I'm quite aware of there's something inside. You know, even waste material. I know I like to clean it all out and then do my training. So yin and yang. I'm emptying out completely, and then I'm bringing in all the good stuff. Yeah, that's my process. Yeah. So the way I throw up is I got a basin between my legs and I stick it, just easy like that. Yeah. So maybe someone will find this useful. I have, and I'll do it every day now, and before I train. Okay. Thank you. Sawadee krap.